Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to charge your iPhone to 50% or more in only 30 minutes. Now of course the battery life of your iPhone is one of the most important things, and when you take a look at a new phone to buy, despite the display or the design or the camera, the battery life is of course one of the key components that you will take a look at. But also really important is how fast you can charge that phone, because you don't have hours to waste to wait for your iPhone to charge. So in this video I will show you guys how to shorten that time, and of course how to be able to charge your iPhone to 50% or even a bit more in only 30 minutes. Yes, that is possible, and I will show you guys exactly what you need to do to achieve that charging time. Alright, there are some key things that you need to know when it comes to charging your iPhone to 50% in only 30 minutes. First of all, you will need to have an iPhone 8 or newer. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus or one of the older devices, this won't work. So first thing, again, you need to have the iPhone 8 or newer, and then you will need to use a USB-C to Lightning cable. The regular USB cable won't work. You need USB-C to Lightning. Now this is a cable that will come with newer iPhones. If you have an iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, you will get this cable, and of course if you have the newer iPhones you will get this cable, even though now you don't get a charger. So when it comes to chargers, there are of course specific chargers that you need to use. Now this one, that is the regular one that comes with iPhones, this is the 5-watt charger, and this won't charge your iPhone that fast. Now according to a study that I have seen, this will probably charge your iPhone in 30 minutes to about 20%, and that's about it. Now this will come with all iPhones that are the iPhone 11, the regular one, and older, all will get this in the box. This is the 5-watt charger. But if you have an iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, then this would be the new 20-watt charger that comes with your iPhone. So this is the 20-watt that allows you to achieve this speed, is only in the package of the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, because of course the newer iPhones don't have chargers at all. So these are the key things that you need to know: what kind of cable you're using, and of course what kind of charger. Of course, when it comes to chargers, there are a few different chargers from Apple that you can use. Now, if you have an iPhone, you might have other Apple devices. Again, if you had an iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, make sure that you check if you have this charger. This is the 18-watt that comes with that iPhone, and this will work, so make sure you save it. And this right here, this is also an 18-watt charger. This is from the, I believe, in 2019 MacBook Pro. This is also 18 watt, and this will also charge your iPhone to 50% in 30 minutes. And this right here, this is the charger of the MacBook Pro. I have the 2019 16-inch, and this is actually the 96-watt charger, and this will also work with the iPhone. So you can see it's a USB-C charger, so combined with this cable, this will charge your iPhone to 50% in 30 minutes. So I will have a link right down below in the description of the video. That's basically a page on the Apple's website where you will see all the different chargers and which of them come with which devices. So if you have like any other device and you might have their chargers maybe still in the package or just laying around, make sure you check that list and see if you have a charger that will support charging your iPhone fast, and that of course 50% in 30 minutes. Now this, the 18-watt charger, this will work to fast charge any iPhone, of course from the iPhone 8 up to the iPhone 11 Pro, and of course 11 Pro Max and the 11. But if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, the iPhone, maybe the iPhone 13 or 13 Pro, you will actually need a 20-watt charger to charge your iPhone to 50% in 30 minutes. The 18 won't work on the iPhone 12 and newer. That of course is really bad. I don't know why Apple did this, because a lot of people have the 18-watt charger from the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, and they won't be able to use it to actually fast charge their iPhone 12 or the iPhone 13. Now, a lot of people probably think that chargers won't have that big of impact when charging iPhones, and even cables as well. But there is like a chart that I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video, which you can see right now on the screen as well. And taking a look at this chart, you can see how much devices will charge in 30 minutes. So if you have an iPhone 11, not the 11 Pro, just the 11, and you charge it with the regular 5-watt charger that comes with that iPhone, you will only get 18% of battery. And if you have an iPhone 11 but you charge it with the 18-watt charger, which comes with the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, or with a MacBook Pro with actually an iPad Pro, then you will be able to actually charge to 55% in 30 minutes. That's amazing. And if you have an iPhone 12, as I said, you will need not the 18-watt charger but the 20-watt charger, and that will charge your device to 58%. And the same goes with the Apple's iPhone 11 Pro. That will also charge to 58% in only 30 minutes. That, of course, using its fast charger, the 18-watt charger that comes actually in package with the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. So these are the things that you need to do and need to have in order to make sure that you can charge your iPhone to 50% or a bit more in under 30 minutes. Now you can also do other things. Of course, if you don't have one of these chargers, buying them from Apple might be quite expensive. They're quite expensive, but you can find third-party like chargers from Amazon or somewhere else that of course will allow you to do the same things. Of course, there are other stuff that you can do on your device to make sure that you maximize the charging speed, and one of them is enabling low power mode while it's charging, or turning off cellular data, maybe your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or if you're maybe on a place where like the service is not that good, you can go ahead and even turn on airplane mode so that your iPhone consumes as less power as possible while it's charging. Of course, if you really need to charge your iPhone really quickly. And of course, the best thing to do, even though it's not required, is not to use your iPhone while charging, because that way it will charge slower because it's consuming power and of course getting power in, but that of course will have quite a big impact on the speed of the charging of your iPhone. So make sure, if you really need to charge your iPhone really fast, make sure that you don't use it while it's charging. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are the tips and tricks that you need to know in order to charge your iPhone to 50% or more in 30 minutes. Of course, again, battery life and basically the charging speeds are really important because we need our iPhones charged and charged as fast as possible. And this is the way to do it with the iPhone. If you have an iPhone 8 and up, you will be able to fast charge it by just using the correct charger, and of course combine it with a USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you leave a like, and I will see you guys on the next one.